Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Fabric Data Engineering, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the correct website URL for Microsoft Fabric Data Engineering. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Fabric. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input your registered email address associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Next, you will be asked to enter your password. Type your password in the designated field. If you want the system to remember your credentials, check the Keep Me Signed In box. After entering your password, click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code. Check your email or authentication app for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Click on the Verify button. Once verified, you will be redirected to your Microsoft Fabric dashboard. From here, you can explore various data engineering tools and features. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. For assistance, visit the support section for troubleshooting tips. Now you are successfully logged into Microsoft Fabric Data Engineering. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.